Hey gang, Jesse over here at EC Auto Repair. Wanted to show you real quick one of the things that we got going. Pretty cool project. We got an Audi Q5 in the shop. Well, actually, one of my technicians has the engine pulled out of the vehicle at the time. So this one came in, it just died going down the road, or supposedly died, wouldn't start. So what they found out was that the flywheel had actually busted. This piece here is supposed to be solid in one piece with the flywheel, and it broke. You can see there's a crack right there. If we look real close, there's a crack right there. So that duplicated that the engine couldn't tell how fast it was running or what was going on, so everything shut down. So we'll be able to replace this part, get everything installed, and our Audi Q5 customer will be running right back down the road.